Welcome to Equiparts. We are a team of repair parts specialists who have been supplying a complete line of plumbing fixtures and maintenance repair parts for over 50 years. We serve a variety of commercial and institutional customers nationwide and beyond. You'll find all of the leading manufacturers in the industry here at Equiparts. We have thousands of OEM parts and complete fixtures in stock and ready to ship. Our specialty is hard-to-find parts that the other companies won't touch. Our inventory covers an extensive list of categories, including faucet repair, closet and urinal, valves and fittings, tools, drinking fountain, hardware, restroom partitions, chemicals, safety items, and much more. When you choose Equiparts, you are getting a friendly, knowledgeable, and experienced sales team that is committed to the highest level of customer service. Many of our factory-trained specialists have been working in the industry for over 15 years or more. We'll listen closely to your needs and take the time to research the best solution to fit your requirements. Our marketing and graphic arts department produces high-quality parts photos and detailed product literature that will help you make an informed decision. And most importantly, we'll always be here to answer all of your questions and provide any technical assistance you may need. That's the Equiparts difference. When it comes to high-quality repair parts and outstanding customer service, nobody beats Equiparts.